Kirsten, Mentone, Etna Green, Leesburg, Cromwell. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Steuben County in northeastern Indiana, northern Noble County in northeastern Indiana, northern DeKalb County in northeastern Indiana, LaGrange County in northeastern Indiana, St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, Branch County in southwestern Michigan, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Centerville to Millersburg, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sturgis, Coldwater, Kendallville, Angola, Three Rivers, Ligonier, LaGrange, Bronson, Fremont, Quincy, Union City, Hamilton, Whitehaven, Centerville, Rome City, Colon, Topeka, Ray, Nottawa, and Girard. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 335 and 357. Interstate 69 in Michigan between mile markers 1 and 21. Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 110 and 156. Interstate 80 in Ohio near mile marker 0. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Michigan, Branch and St. Joseph, and the following counties in Indiana: DeKalb, LaGrange, Noble, and Steuben. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Noble County in northeast